In this video, we will see how to connect Base44 to Claude. This will allow you to use Base44's amazing website building capabilities inside Claude. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can use the first link description to open Claude and log into your account. After login, click here on plus icon. Click on Add Connectors. Search here for Base44. Before doing anything, make sure you also have an account in Base44. You can use the first link in description to open Base44 and get free credits by creating a brand new account. Click here on the plus icon and Claude will start connecting to Base44. Claude will ask for a few permissions like create and modify, viewing access, and offline access. You will also see the email ID that you are connecting with. If you want to change it, click here on Switch Account and change your email ID. Click on Allow and you can see Base44 is connected to Claude. Now, to use it in your conversations, click here, go to Connectors, and make sure Base44 is enabled. This way, you can use Base44's website building capabilities inside Claude. You can manage and build your Base44 apps using chat commands. Instead of opening Base44, you can just tell Claude what you want, such as creating an app, adding features, or updating data, and Claude can help perform those actions for you. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build amazing websites using Base44, you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.